What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'll show you how to draw Bulbasaur from Pokemon. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw the top edge of the eyes. We leave a large gap in the center. Let's start over on the left. We're gonna draw a curve that goes up, and we'll bend that out towards the left. Let's line up the inside over on the right and do the same thing. We're gonna go up, and then we'll bend that out. Now we're gonna curve the bottom of the eye, starting back over on the left. Bend this up and then out. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Now you want to round out the side of the eye. From the very top, we're going to step down, curve the eye going out, down, and then just bend that in. Now I'm going to pull the pupils towards the inside. Starting from the very top, we're going to step down, curve around, and then bend that in. Let's add an oval in the center of the eye. Starting from the very top, come down toward the bottom, and we'll pull that back up towards the top. Let's add a fold along the inside of the brow. Starting on the left, bend this up and out. Let's move to the center of the head and draw on the top edge of the mouth. We'll start right in the middle, start with a point. From here we're going to bend this out and then up toward the left and right side. Now from the top, we're just going to bend the mouth going out and then down. And we'll curl the corners of the mouth going back up along the side. Now I want to open up the mouth, starting back over on the left, bend the mouth coming down, across, and then back up. And I'll add two small fangs on either side, going down and then up. And then we'll draw the top edge of the tongue inside the mouth. We're going to go up and then back down. Let's move to the center and draw in the nostrils. Leaving a gap in the center and draw two lines, one going up on the left and one on the right. Now let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, let's step out, curve the head going out and then down. Let's line that up on the right, going out and then down. Let's go back over towards the left side. We're going to round out the cheek. Just pull the head coming in towards the middle, just underneath the mouth. Go across and up on the right. Now we're going to layer the side of the head in behind the cheeks. We're going to step down, curve this up, and then bend that in around the eyes. And then layer the ears in behind. We're going to step back down, curve out, up, and then in towards the top. Let's pull the ears coming in and then down towards the top of the head. Let's draw the top of the head over the ears. We're going to step over, curve this up in the middle, and then bend that back down. Now I'm going to go back and add some spots along the forehead. Starting from the top, let's curve this up and out, round up the ends, and then we'll curve the bottom. Let's add a small one on the side, coming down, in, go up and out. Let's add one small triangle along the bottom. Now I move down and draw on the side of the arms. Let's start over on the left. Bend the arm coming down and then in. Let's go over towards the right. Now I add three sockets along the bottom of the arm. We go up and then down. And we do that two more times, coming in. We'll do the same thing on the right. From the inside, we're going to curve the arm going up, and then we'll bend that out. Now let's add a claw in between each of the sockets. From the outside, go down and in, and back up towards that second point, and it will continue towards the inside of the arm. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to close off the bottom of the body with a curve, coming down and then up. Let's move out to the side and draw in the hind legs. We're going to start underneath the cheek on the left, bend the leg going out, down, and then in towards the side. And do the same thing on the right. Let's tuck 3 claws underneath. We start from the inside, bend this down and out, go up and in. Let's add another one. Going down and out, back up. And then we'll do that one more time. Let's add a spot on the outside of the left arm. Curve this up and in. Come down towards the bottom. And round out the side. Let's add a spot on the top right. Coming in. Just gonna round out the ends. And close off the bottom. Add that small triangle along the bottom right. And we'll add a spot on the hind legs. Starting from the top, come in, and then bend that back out. Now from here, we place that large bulb in behind the body. Let's start right in the center above the head, draw a straight line going up. Now I want to bend this out towards the left and right side. Let's go to the top left, come down and bend that out toward the left ear, and do the same thing on the right. Let's go to the outside of the ears. We're going to curve the bulb, going out, come down, and just bend that in behind the thigh, and do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to add one more layer. Starting on the left, bend this up and out, down and then out in behind the ears. Now let's go to the outside of the ear, step up, bend this out, round up the side, and just pull that in towards the bottom. Let's finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Bulbasaur from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.